Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are experiencing delayed notification on your Samsung Galaxy phone, it can be frustrating, especially when you miss important messages. In today's video, I will walk you through the steps to fix this issue and ensure you receive the notifications on time. The first step is to check your battery optimization settings. Go to Settings, then Battery and Device Care. And here select Battery. Look for the app power management and ensure that important apps aren't being put to sleep. Power saving mode can also delay notifications. So to turn it off, go to settings, then battery and device care, and toggle off power saving mode. This will prevent your phone from limiting background activity. Next, ensure that the background data usage is enabled for apps where you need timely notifications. So go to settings, then click on apps, and here select the app and then enable allow background data usage. So if the issue still persists, try clearing the cache and data for the affected apps. Go to settings, then apps, and select the application and choose storage. Tap clear cache and clear data to reset the app. Lastly, make sure your phone software is up to date. Go to settings, then software update. And here check for any available updates. Installing the latest update can resolve bugs causing notification delays. So that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix delayed notification on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.